Is your My Courses module overpopulated with courses? Well, this video will show how to adjust My Course display settings. After clicking on the My NDSCS tab, locate My Courses. Alphabetical order is a default course arrangement setting. Hover the pointer over the title bar and click on the settings icon. Click the Group by Term box. Now we can set up a collapsed view of previous terms and display all courses in the current term. So all boxes under Show Term should be checked. Uncheck Expand Term boxes except for the current term. Click Submit. Group by Term mode provides collapse and expand arrows to change the display from here. Back in Settings, use the Edit Course list to select attributes to be displayed. Select all, unselect all, changes all options for a course, or you can change attributes individually. To hide a course, for example, a sandbox course, all boxes should be unselected. Click Submit to finish.